What happens if you do 20 push-ups a day? Here's the truth. What if I told you that doing just 20 push-ups a day could transform your body? It's quick, simple, and surprisingly effective. I tried it myself for a month, and the results were better than expected. In this video, I'll show you how this small daily habit can lead to big changes in your strength, posture, endurance, and overall health. So stick around to the end, and let's break down why this works and how to do it right. 1. Increased muscle mass push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises for building upper body strength. With every rep, you're engaging your chest, pectorals, shoulders, deltoids, and triceps, while your back and even biceps act as stabilizers. Doing 20 push-ups a day creates tiny tears in your muscle fibers. During rest, these fibers repair and grow stronger. Over time, this leads to more muscle tone and definition, especially in your arms, chest, and shoulders. No, you won't look like a bodybuilder, but you will notice a tighter, leaner upper body if you stay consistent. 2. Core strength and stability. Push-ups don't just target your arms, they're also a killer core workout. To maintain proper form, your abdominals, obliques, and lower back need to stay engaged throughout the movement. This improves core strength, posture, and balance. A strong core also reduces your risk of back pain and helps with overall body control, whether you're working out or going about daily activities. 3. Joint health and support push-ups are low impact, but they're powerful for strengthening the muscles and tendons around your shoulders, elbows, and wrists. Stronger support structures reduce strain on your joints, lowering your risk of injury over time. The motion of push-ups also increases the production of synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints and helps maintain mobility, especially helpful for people with sedentary jobs or desk-bound lifestyles. 4. Better mobility and flexibility. Push-ups require a full range of motion, especially through your shoulders and chest. As you lower your body, your chest muscles stretch. As you push up, they contract. This repeated motion increases flexibility and mobility, which means less stiffness, a lower risk of injury, and greater ease in everyday movement. You'll notice this the next time you reach, lift, or twist. 5. Stronger bones. Push-ups are a weight-bearing exercise, which means they signal your body to strengthen your bones. Over time, this boosts bone density, especially in your arms, wrists, and shoulders, areas prone to weakness as we age. Regularly performing push-ups helps combat osteoporosis and keeps your body physically resilient. 6. Improved muscular endurance. At first, 20 push-ups may be tough, but your body adapts. As you grow stronger, you'll perform them more easily and with better form. This builds muscular endurance, allowing your muscles to work for longer without tiring. This kind of stamina transfers to everyday activities, from carrying groceries to playing sports, making push-ups a practical strength builder. 7. Boosted circulation. Push-ups elevate your heart rate, especially when done in quick sets. This boosts blood flow, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles and organs more efficiently. Improved circulation means faster recovery, more energy, and even healthier skin. Think of push-ups as a quick cardiovascular and strength workout rolled into one. 8. Hormonal balance and mental health push-ups help regulate key hormones. They stimulate the release of testosterone and growth hormone, both essential for muscle repair and development. At the same time, they lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and increase endorphins, your body's natural mood enhancers. The result? Better mood, less stress, and even improved sleep. All from just 20 push-ups a day. Want more challenge? Try these variations. Incline push-ups. Place hands on a raised surface, easier on beginners. Wide hand push-ups. Hands wider apart for more chest activation. Diamond push-ups. Hands close together, targeting triceps and inner chest. Clapping push-ups. Add an explosive clap between reps to build power. Knuckle push-ups, done on fists to strengthen wrists and forearms. So, can 20 push-ups a day really transform your body? Absolutely. Push-ups offer a wide range of benefits, from muscle building and fat burning to better posture, joint protection, and hormonal balance. They're simple, accessible, and surprisingly powerful. The key is consistency. Make it a daily habit, and your body and mind will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more simple, science-backed fitness tips. Thanks for watching. See you soon.